Wild-und Freizeitpark Klotten is a combination amusement park and zoo in Germany. This park features just one roller coaster, but they have an interesting mix of non-coasters. So in this video, I will rank the park's top 5 rides. Number 5. Cooney BTS Abenteuer. This is a shooting dark ride from Lagentronics. It has potential. The show building looks nice, and I like the physical sets, but there are 3 cons holding it back. 1. It is short. 2. It is dark, so it can be hard to see some of the scenes. 3. Many targets did not work, which is a major issue with a shooter like this. I don't think the park will extend the ride, but the latter 2 issues could be fixed, which would take this from an okay dark ride to a genuinely good one. Number 4. Zum Ritter STS. This is a water ride from ABC Rides with a lot of potential. This flume starts off with a short but solid dark ride section. Then you head outdoors for this large, rotating elevator lift that offers stunning views overlooking the nearby mountains. Then you have what should be an exciting drop sequence. It is the park's tallest ride at 82 feet, or 25 meters tall. And there's a bunny hill before the big drop, but that uphill bit rattled, and the top of the final plunge is a surprising and very powerful trim brake.
Oh!
This uncomfortably threw me into the restraint, and it neutered the final plunge. With a better drop, this would have been a contender for the top spot on the list. Even with the trim, it still gets you very wet though. Number 3. Comet. This is a self-operated pendulum ride. You pull a rope and the electric motor rocks you higher and higher. The experience starts off tame, but if you hold the rope long enough, you will swing higher than you'd expect. And I got some shocking standing airtime because of the minimalistic restraints. And if there's no one waiting, you can keep the ride going as long as you'd like. Number 2. Nautic Jet. This is a self-operated boat jump. Riders are pulled atop an incline, similar to a Comet family boomerang. Once you reach the top, you are suddenly released. The resultant drop gives a tummy-tickling sensation. Then you launch off a ramp into the air. This is an unnerving visual, and you get some fun forces too. You get a little airtime and a free fall sensation as you hurtle through the air. You then splash down in a pool, but stay relatively dry. This attraction is simple, but it is a true rush. And coming in number 1 is Heistofart. This is a great Gerstlauer bobsled. This one starts off with a series of hairpin turns. These are chock full of laterals and also offer nice views of the nearby mountains. But it's the second half that makes this one of the world's best wild mouse coasters. There's a forceful downwards helix, and immediately after that, there are these 2 speedy S-hills with good airtime. Then the coaster follows up with 4 consecutive bunny hills, all of which offer weak floater airtime. And there is another decent helix at the end for good measure. I have a separate review published if you want to learn more about this coaster, but it's the main reason this park should be on the radar for coaster enthusiasts. So those are the top 5 rides at Klotten. While the park does not have too many rides, the ones they have are interesting and or unique. What are your thoughts about this park's attractions? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you consider subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster amusement park videos here at Cooney Coaster. Thanks for watching.